Good morning, guys. Welcome to Vlogmas day 9, I think. Someone's waiting to go outside, aren't you, darling? Right. Stay. 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 Right, good girl. So yeah, I'm just gonna have some breakfast, and then I'm gonna go pick Sam up. I'm going to get my tattoo today. Guys, I had the worst sleep last night because I just kept having so many nightmares about it. And they were just like stupid stuff, like I couldn't find a tattoo shop, or I lost my car, or like I couldn't make it in time, and just like stupid stuff like that. And then one of them, my sister showed me her tattoo and it looked awful, and I was like, I really don't want that. But no, I'm really excited about the tattoo that we're getting, so I'll show you that later. I'm gonna ask if she has time to do one more. Hang on. Tilly! Tilly! She's found a chicken. Tilly! I'm gonna have to go tell her. There's one that's sitting on some eggs. I don't know if she'd heard it or if she just likes to look, but either way. Get away from the chicken, please. Come on. Where even is it? Oh, there it is. I don't know if you guys can see the chicken down there. She's like a little bit. Let me see if we can. I feel like she's very hard to see. But he's in there. No, out! Quick. No. Away you get. Leave her alone. Sorry guys, I have to turn my camera off to get her away. She's fine now. Yeah, I just needed 2 hands to like get her away. She was naughty though, she kept going back. Like I was like standing there blocking it and she just kept trying to go back. I'm like, anyway, I'm gonna make some porridge now. I thought it would be best to have like something substantial in my stomach. I just like to go through precautions. I'm silly, like it's literally like gonna take like 5 seconds, no joke. But anxiety is unpredictable, so I feel like it's just best to I like to have those precautions in place. I'm gonna have a full stomach. I'm not gonna have a coffee because, you know, sometimes that raises your heart rate and stuff, and like sometimes it makes me feel a bit weird. So I'll have a coffee after. I'm gonna get a can of full strength Coke to take just in case I need a drink to like up my blood sugar levels or anything. So yeah, I'm gonna make some porridge and then I'll be back. Okay, I'm watching some YouTube now. I'm just watching some Bella and I've just made my breakfast. It's the same as the other day. It's just porridge with raspberries, honey and cinnamon. So yeah, I'm gonna have this now, then I'll have a shower and get ready. Do you know how to, oh yeah. Cool, thanks. Alright, so we're done with tattoos now. I got 2. I got the one that you guys saw that said sisters on this arm, and then I've also got another one here. I got it of my 2 dogs. I got Samson and Tilly. So Tilly is my dog that I have now, and Samson is my dog that I had, and he passed away. Oof. I think like 7 years ago now or something like that, like quite a while ago. And so I got them together. I love it. I'm so happy with it. I'll show you that when I get home. But just waiting for Sam now. We're just at my work. I just stopped in to see my mum and Sam just went to the toilet. So yeah, then we're gonna go to town now, do the last of my Christmas shopping, and Sam still has a bit to buy. But yes, so that's what we're gonna go do now. I feel like I didn't get to like vlog much this morning because I was so rushed before like I was late to the tattoo shop, so but everything's okay now. I can't wait to show you guys my other tattoo. But yeah, I'm gonna go to town now. I'm so tired. But yeah, I'm gonna go to town and I'll show you what we're doing there. Alright, we're in town now. We just went to Savoy and got some gift vouchers for Sam's family. Now we're going to Pandora because I told Sam I wanted a Pandora charm for Christmas, so he's going to go choose one. Aren't ya? we got Macca's for lunch. So yum. I got a quarter pounder, Sam got a McSpicy. And then we just got some McPieces as well to share. So we're gonna have our lunch now. Alright guys, I don't know where we left off. I'm pretty sure it was actually when I was getting lunch. When I was getting McDonald's, which was a while ago now. So why is it not focusing? Alright, so yeah, Sam and I got some lunch. And then I dropped him home and then I came home and had a sleep. I was just exhausted. I think like between my 13-hour shift yesterday and also getting tattooed today, because I feel like it takes it out of you, you know, like obviously it's like quite painful I guess for a bit, and like it's just kind of exhausting. So yeah, I had a nap and then I just woke up. I've just done some work for my workplace, like where I work at the moment, like with my mum. So I've just finished that and now I'm going to buy some tattoo cream, also get some petrol because I don't have much left. I still need to show you my second tattoo, and I'll show you my first one again and stuff, but yeah, I'll do that when I get home. So yeah, I'm going to the supermarket now. Alright, I'm home now, just watching some Eleanor. Got a couple of things at the supermarket. I got myself a blue Gatorade, I love this. I got some honey cashews, some Doritos. I got my tattoo balm. I used the Dr. Pickles one. I've used this for all of my tattoos and I really like it. I can't fault it. So yeah, I really like this one. I do recommend it. I got these new things from Coles. They're called White Chalk Minis. Oh, it's from Woolworths, sorry. And then I also got some hot chocolate, some mini marshmallows, and I've already put it away, but I also got some whipped cream because I'm gonna make some nice hot chocolates. So yeah, I'm just gonna chill and watch some Eleanor now. And yeah, I'll check in again before bed. I just watched like the saddest, like a really sad case. It was one of Bella Fiore's videos and it was the Lynn family murders. If you haven't seen it, oh, I don't know, like it was a good video but it was just so sad. I don't know, I watch so many like true crime, like I watch them, I don't know, I watch so many like every single day, but you know how you just have ones that kind of like hit a little bit different I guess. But yeah, that one was really sad. I feel like I need to watch something else now to like cheer myself up, but like it was just weird. Like I was just thinking like it's kind of easy because, you know, I'll just watch something else and kind of forget about it. But like that's like someone's life, you know, like that's like a real story that happened in someone's real life and they can't just watch a show and forget about it. Like it's really sad and it really just like ugh. Sometimes I think they're not good to watch, especially for someone like me who is very overly emotional and gets attached easy, I guess. But yeah, no, that was just like a really sad case. I want you guys to check it out because I think like, you know, it'd be good, like I like the recognition and stuff to be brought to the victims and stuff. But yeah, just be warned, it is a really sad one. Bella did a really good job of covering it though. Yeah, there's just some awful people out there, isn't there? And yeah, it's very sad. But anyway, I'm gonna jump into bed now, I reckon. I still need to show you my second tattoo. I need to go get Tilly and stuff. So I think I'll go get Tilly and then I'll show you my tattoo. Okay, it's probably gonna be a little bit hard to show you, but this is the first one I got. So this, I guess I should tell you the story of how this all actually happened. So yesterday my sister messaged me. She was like, hey, your Christmas present is matching tattoos and she has tomorrow available, so we're going. And I was like, okay, all right. So yeah, these are the ones that me and my sister I got matching. They are like from Friends, you know, like the little Friends logo, except it says sisters. So yeah, I think it's really cute. We really love Friends. No. We bond over that show really well, and so yeah, when I was living with her, that's what we watched like all the time. So yeah, we got the matching Friends one, and then I also got this one. I can't tell if these are going to be backwards or not, like in the camera, but these are 2 dogs. The one with the halo is Samson, and he's my dog that passed away about 7 years ago now. And then the second, the smaller dog, is Tilly, which is my baby now. So yeah, I got those 2 together. They never got to meet, and they're like my 2 little dogs, so I wanted them together so that I always have them with me and that they're always, you know, together. So yeah, I don't know if maybe you can see a bit better in the mirror, but yeah, that's that one there, and then that's on that one there. But yeah, I'm really happy with them. We went to Ink Slave and we went to Kira, so if you're in Hobart, I highly recommend her. She did a really good job. My other tattoo artist that I've got all my other tattoos from is Jason Scar. He's at Hobart Tattoo Collective, so if you're looking at getting a tattoo and you're in Hobart, either of those 2 are really good. I was really happy with Kira today. I think she did a really good job. So yeah, I'm probably gonna go to bed now. I'm gonna have to be really careful because this girl, when she wants pets and stuff, sometimes tends to scratch me. Like, she'll try, she doesn't mean to scratch me, but she'll put her paw on me, and you know, then she's got nails obviously, so I just need to be careful that she doesn't touch the tattoos. Yeah, I'm really happy with them, really excited. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you tomorrow. Say bye. Bye guys.